Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check for updates and update Brave browser on your computer. Keeping your web browser updated is important because new updates can include improvements, bug fixes, new features, performance improvements, and important security updates. So let's see how to check for the latest version of Brave browser. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave browser is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. Now click the menu button. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. The Brave settings page will now open. On the left side of the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find the About Brave option. Click on About Brave. The About Brave page will now open. Brave browser will automatically check whether a new update is available. As you can see, Brave is checking the current browser version and update status. In this example, the page shows the message Brave is up to date. This means that Brave browser is already running the latest available version, so no additional update is required at the moment. You can also see the current Brave browser version displayed on this page. If a new update is available, Brave will normally begin downloading the update automatically. After the update is downloaded and installed, you may see an option to relaunch the browser. Clicking the Relaunch button will restart Brave browser and complete the update process. After the browser restarts, you can return to the About Brave page to confirm that the latest version is installed. Regularly checking for browser updates is a good way to keep Brave browser running smoothly and securely, and that's how you can check for updates and update Brave browser. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.